Alright guys, so we have snow outside and we don't normally get snow here, but we have like 6 or 8 inches outside, and the main streets are fine, but our neighborhood streets suck. So I'm gonna try to make some tire chains that I can put on my car so I can get in and out of the neighborhood. So I picked this stuff up at Home Depot, like $13 for the straps and $10 for the chain. So see if we can make this work. So we got the Husky lashing straps.
So how do you do this? Just like the twin?
We got
You
the
just grind it.
chain link welded. And this is, I don't have any bolt cutters here at the house, so I'm gonna try to file through it to get this open. Alright, so first I went outside with the chain and I measured how many links I was going to need. I kind of wanted them to go up the sides of the tire a little bit, and I ended up with 11 chain links. Started with the big file, and I used the pliers to hold the one link that I needed to file. It did take a little while. I was trying to break it, but it wouldn't break.
That's heavy.
All right, finally cut through it. And got 11 links. I'm gonna take my thing here. I'm gonna take the cut one off. I'm gonna run this through this back one. I'll run this through the front one. And then I'm gonna go to the wheel, run this behind, run this across like that. And this will sit on the outside of my tire. Alright guys, so when you go out to put the strap on there, make sure the metal part will be on the outside. You slide the strap behind the rim and slide it into the chain link, and then bring it back. Make sure that it's flat in there and it's not bunched up. Make sure that it's all flat. Bring it back around and slide it into the clasp or the buckle. And then just adjust it and tighten as needed. Alright guys, you can see, put it in there, through there. Self-attaching. I should hold it in place. I'm just gonna cut this off a little shorter. Right here. Burn the edges. And do that for both sides. All right, guys, we got them on. I'll go try it out. Hope everything clears around the tire. It looks like it is. It's just a little piece of the chain that's gonna go by. So hopefully we'll try it out real quick. All right, guys, I made a total of 4 of these chain straps. All right, so here's the last 2. The other 2 I already put on the car. I went out and tried it. It was okay. It did feel a little bit better than when I drove without them. The car wasn't sliding around as much. So I made 2 more. I brought 4 straps total. It's just a 11 link chain and the Husky strap. It's about 3.5 feet long, and this is everything I used. I used these to hold the chain link while I filed it down with this. Originally I started with this big file, but that one wasn't working too well. I found this other one in the garage, and you know, that's probably what took the longest, is filing through the chain. I didn't get open ones, I got completely welded ones, so I had to cut through them. And in this, I just use it to help open up the link. Once I got it cut, I had to spread it open and get the chain out. Utility knife to cut the strap ends, and a lighter, which I don't have here, but just a lighter. I'm gonna burn these ends over here. So I got 2 on the car. I'm gonna go put these other 2 on. That little hill, that's the hard part to get out of here. All right, guys, I got 2 on each tire, and this is just an emergency thing to get me in and out of my neighborhood, because you can see that I haven't plowed anything, so this is all starting to freeze, and it's getting harder and harder to get in and out. Yesterday we were still able to get out easily. Today I struggled, you know, I had to dig myself out a couple times, so I ran to Home Depot. I couldn't find any real ones anywhere, so I figured, hey, I'm gonna try this. They look like the emergency ones that I saw online. So I tried it with one and it helped, but it still got stuck. So I put 2 now, and I'm gonna go to the store. Of course, I gotta take these off as soon as I get to the main streets, but for getting in and out of the neighborhood, I think $20, $25, not a bad deal. All right, so we're gonna go slow and hope that nothing breaks. So I think if I would have had to buy the stuff again, I probably would have got some actual straps and used those to get it on there tighter. But the first time I went out with just one, it was fine. So I just went around the neighborhood, which is all I really need to get in and out. Oh yeah, heck yeah, guys. Cost me around $25. So if you are in a bind and you need to get out of your neighborhood, or you need to go through some snow, this might help. Again, do this at your own risk. This is just something I needed to do to get out of my neighborhood fast. What's up, Cheeto? All right, guys, thanks for watching today. I hope this helps anybody. If you guys are stuck in the snow, need to get out of your neighborhood. Thank you guys for watching. Again, do this at your own risk. I just needed to get in and out of my neighborhood without getting stuck. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you like it. Hit that like. If you have any comments, if you have any better ideas or things that work for you, let me know down below. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe. And thanks for checking out the video, guys.